All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into a bloody Saturday. Bitcoin not doing too good. Whole crypto market is not doing too good. But this is what we expected. We expected this, right? If you're following the channel and you saw my Bitcoin review video from a few months ago, I was calling for a 20K Bitcoin. Lo and behold, we got it. We got it, right? That's what we got. And woke up this morning only to see Bitcoin dump more. So this 200 moving average everybody's been looking at on the Bitcoin chart, expecting it to hold, did not hold. We broke right through it. And I thought we would do so because between this area here, this area right here, this green area, and this green area, there was not a lot of support. So I expected once Bitcoin lost this 30K support that we would fall rapidly to this area where we are now. Now, a lot of people thought that Bitcoin would not break or fall below its previous all-time high from 2017, which we barreled right through that already, right? And we're sitting at $18,700. And honestly, guys, as I mentioned before, I do see 10 to 13K in the cards for Bitcoin. Now, I don't have a crystal ball, but as I said before, when we were trading around 40K, calling for a 20K Bitcoin, I was saying, hey, prepare yourself for it mentally. You know, it's just, crypto is still a market that's in its infant phase, so we're going to have to deal with these 3 to 4 year cycles, right? And this is part of it. We boom, we bust, right? We start the cycle all over again. We run up, then we crash, consolidate, and then we repeat the pattern all over again. So if you're just getting into crypto, this is your first bear market, this is the time to start really looking at good blue chip cryptos and not, the more obscure cryptos that probably won't be around during the next bull market. Okay. So me, honestly, I like, what do I like right now? I like Bitcoin. I like Bitcoin at 13K. I like Ethereum. At around 700 to 400. Brace yourselves for it. All right. Brace yourselves for it. I think it's in the cards. All right. Because this area here, this green box, and this green box, there ain't a lot of support. So you see, once we fell out of this green box here on the weekly, we just started to fall rapidly, and we're falling towards this area here, $600 area, $700 area, right? And I think it's going to get worse. Okay. I think we're at the beginning going into the middle of this capitulation phase for crypto and stocks. Okay. Let's take a look at the total crypto market cap. Wow. We're at an $800 billion market cap. And 28 March, we were sitting at 2 trillion. Okay. So what I really like to look at, and as I mentioned before in all my Bitcoin review videos, I like to look at the 2 week. A lot of people just look at the 5-day and the weekly. I look at the 2 week. And so for months, I've been looking at this 2 week chart, and I maintain my bullish thesis as long as we held this area around 30K. And I knew that once we lost this, 20K is the next target. And once we lost that, 12K is in the cards. 13K is in the cards. Totally. And look where we're at. We're in this green box that I I drew on the chart. Okay. Now a lot of people said no, Bitcoin would never fall below its previous all-time high. It's never happened. And now what's the headline today? The first time in Bitcoin's history, right? So Bitcoin has never had to perform in these macroeconomic conditions, right? So all bets are off, guys. All bets are off, dude. Like seriously, seriously, seriously. If your dollar cost averaging, be careful because you're basically catching a falling knife. If you are the dollar cost average, here's a strategy I would use. It's not financial advice. For every $1,000 or $500 Bitcoin drops, I would add to my position, right? So if you started DCAing around 22K and you had $1,000 you wanted to put into Bitcoin, I would put in 100, 50 or 100 at 22. Wait a few days, see what it does. At 21, I add more. I add another 100 or another 50. And then at 20, I'd add another 100 or another 50. And just repeat the process. And the focus or the goal of that dollar cost average method is to not try to time the bottom, but to get a good average. So in my mind, I'm prepared for a 12 to 13K Bitcoin. He could even overshoot that and come down here to the 9 to 10K zone. Guys, if that happens, it may not stay there very long, okay? Right? So he could come down to 10 to 13K for a few hours and then just explode back up to the upside and back up to 15, 20K. Right? So that we could see something like that, all right? Now, I don't know how long it'll take us to get to 13K. So we could have some bounces in between there. That's also possible. But just prepare yourself mentally for more pain, all right? Totally. Yeah, it's not looking good today, but that's just part of crypto. We had a good run, guys. We had a really good run from the COVID crash from March 2020 all the way to April 2021. And technically, I don't even count this second rally to 69, 68K. I don't even count this, to be honest, guys. I think the bear market started after 12 April 2021. That's my opinion. I think this when the bear market happened. That's when it started. And this second pump, this was, when we had the metaverse hype and, the play to earn gaming hype phase. This is kind of what caused this and maybe some other factors too, right? But I think that this was basically a double top that took a while to play out. All right. That's a bearish chart formation. So guys, stay safe out there. Try not to get wrecked. This too shall pass. We will get through this. And those who stay and are able to withstand and take these hits and make the right decisions, you will come out on top when the market flips bullish again. All right. This is definitely not the time to be investing into crap coins, shit coins, and meme coins. Though I got love for those too. And those communities out there. Me personally, not financial advice. I want to invest in blue chip cryptos now at this point. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cadena, LF0, Glitch, Paribus, Render Token, Avalanche, Solana, right? These are cryptos I want to get into. Glimmer, Moonbeam, right? I want to look at cryptos like that, right? And this bear market that we're heading into, or this capitulation we're entering, is going to present a generational buying opportunity. I don't know how the next bull market is going to look and what the catalyst will be. This previous bull market, we had DeFi, we had play to earn, we had NFTs, what will it be next, and where will it take Bitcoin? Will it take Bitcoin to 100K, right? Will it take it to 80K, 90K? Will it take it to 150K? Not sure. But if you see Bitcoin hit these lower numbers here around 13K, alts are just going to get triple, quadruple, quintuple smacked, right? So, yeah, you know, I'm excited for it, guys. It's not cool to see some of my cryptos in my portfolio down, but it's always good to know what Bitcoin is doing, even if you're not buying Bitcoin and you're an altcoin person. All right. To me, there's Bitcoin and then there's Ethereum, and everything else is an altcoin. That's how I see crypto right now. Right. There's Bitcoin, there's Ethereum, and then there's altcoins. Everything else is other. Is competing for those two spots. And a lot of those projects are good. There are good projects out there that are altcoins. I'm not saying that those other projects are not good or anything like that. But I do have some of the next potential Solana or the next potential Ethereum. I have some of those in my portfolio, all right? But essentially, this is the time to get some solid cryptos in your portfolio and stocks as well. All right. Stocks as well. Okay. So yeah, we'll just keep track on what the market's doing. And I took a little break here, out with family right now. And yeah, we'll keep tabs on this, man. But prepare for more pain. Prepare for more pain. And you know what? Like I said, we'll get through this. This will pass. I'm Deuce Crypto. Till next time, out.